Hi viewers, this is Health Tech Guru and I'm Abhilasha, and now once again I'm here to meet with Dr. Deepthi, and now she is telling us more about skin and hair problems. Welcome ma'am.
Hi, myself Dr. Deepthi, founder and medical director of Live Young Luxyderma.
Ma'am, one of my friend, he's like facing deep acne scars and open pores. It's like it's a very old. So can we treat this?
Yes, definitely we can treat the skin condition with the latest technology in aesthetic medicine that is called as fractional CO2 treatment.
Okay.
Yeah, so this treatment it is non-surgical and it is having very least downtime and it is very affordable and it has less downtime as compared to other things. Within 7 days we can see some change.
Wow, it's very like it's costly or how much cost? Like it's a session wise or like in one session we can complete it.
It is not definitely in one session.
Okay.
See, we have to see the depth of the scars, like how much depth is there
Hmm.
and how much open pores are there on the face. So, session wise, we can take the things going on.
Ma'am, please tell to our viewers like how this CO2 fraction machines work.
Yeah, this is a type of laser machine
Okay.
which is mainly based on the gases like nitrogen, hydrogen, and carbon dioxide.
Hmm.
Mostly carbon dioxide will be used in this laser, so that's why we will call it as fractional CO2.
Okay. For this machine, how much duration it takes, and obviously we will. I just want to know about the costing, like.
See, this session gaps will be like
Hmm.
1 month at least.
Okay.
1 month, as it is a deep penetrating one, it is going in the deeper tissues
Mm-hmm.
because it will work on the connective tissues
Okay.
and it also stimulates collagen.
Mm-hmm.
So, skin needs lot of time to heal. So,
Okay.
we can tell the clients to come for every 1 month.
Okay.
Cost per session will be starting from 3 to 10,000 range per session.
Okay.
So as I told you, it's very
Mm-hmm.
effective and cost minimal things also are there in here thing.
If someone has like big open pores,
Yeah,
like it's a very old as well,
definitely.
then can we treat with this machine?
Yes, definitely we can treat with this machine, but it depends on the sessions,
Okay.
depending on the depth. So what it will basically do is it will go into the connective tissue.
Mm-hmm.
It will break the bond in the connective tissue.
Mm-hmm.
So collagen will be boosted.
Okay.
So you know, as collagen is the most important substance, which is helpful in glowing of the skin or building the good texture of the skin.
Hmm.
So it will be good.
Can we remove that scars also?
Yes, we can remove. We can remove acne scars. We
Okay.
can remove surgical scars.
Oh,
We can even remove the stretch marks.
wow, wonderful.
Yeah, very like thick stretch marks also will be removed. But you know, for every treatment, combination treatment works. So
Okay.
first we have to do PRP
Mm-hmm.
or mesotherapy.
Mm-hmm.
Later we can shift to fractional CO2 like that.
Okay.
So
Ma'am, what other treatment we can do with this machine?
yes, definitely there are many other indications.
Okay.
So first is skin rejuvenation,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and it will also help in treating fine lines, wrinkles,
Very nice.
sagging,
Wow.
and also the open pores and
Mm-hmm.
acne scars as
Mm-hmm.
you asked, and it will also help in treatment of pigmentation.
Okay. Ma'am, we can use this machine for face only or for hand or body, other
Anywhere,
body
anywhere,
parts? Oh,
anywhere on the part of the body.
oh.
See,
For
some people
hand.
will be
Yeah.
having surgical scars on hands,
Hmm.
some people will be having on legs,
Yes, yes.
so we can use it anywhere on the body.
Ma'am, what kind of pigmentation can we treat with this machine?
See, with this machine we can treat the superficial pigmentation,
Okay.
and also some vitamin deficiency
Mm-hmm.
pigmentation like freckles we can treat,
Mm-hmm.
and also melasma.
Oh.
But not only with fractional CO2, as I mentioned earlier, also
Mm-hmm.
combination treatment works.
Okay, okay.
So before you have to apply the peel, take all of the pigmentation from deeper to superficial, then you can apply the CO2 because it will give the new layer of skin so that there will be no scar or no remnants of the treatment.
Ma'am, what is the difference between melasma and pigmentation?
See, melasma is a chronic pigmentation.
Okay.
So it is mostly seen in females
Oh,
crossing after later their 40s or something,
okay.
which is related to hormonal.
Mm-hmm.
It might be due to period issues,
Mm-hmm.
it might be due to thyroid also. Dark brown color pigmentation, which we will be seeing on the cheeks.
Mm-hmm.
This is a very stubborn pigmentation,
Mm-hmm.
so which needs lot of attention and efforts to treat that one.
Okay, ma'am. It is like we can remove permanently or no? It's not.
Yeah, we can remove it permanently, but it needs maintenance also.
Okay.
See, as I told you, it is associated with other comorbid conditions. So, suppose one lady came, she's having thyroid and this melasma.
Hmm.
Simultaneously, we have to treat the thyroid as well as the pigmentation. If both are on one page, definitely results will be there.
So, what is the home care she needs to take at home?
Home care means they have to use definitely sunscreen,
Sunscreen.
because melasma or any other pigmentation will be due to sun sensitivity also, and also skin lightening creams we have to use,
Okay.
and also they can take oral tablets also, like skin lightening, glutathione, tranexamic acid combination tablets they can take.
Ma'am, there is a in sunscreen lotion. There is a SPF 30, SPF 50. So, which we should use at what time? Like in night time, uh, SPF 30 or 50. So every time people are very confused in this. Like,
Yeah, I understand that, because definitely sunscreen SPF we have to see, because nowadays on this heavy UV rays pigmentation we have to use definitely 50 plus only
50.
if
Okay.
you're going outside. If you're staying at home, 30 will be fine.
Okay.
And also in a day we have to apply at least twice,
Okay.
not in the night routine. You can apply in the morning, or in the afternoon you can wash your face and you can apply.
Okay. So, ma'am, in night time we apply vitamin C serum also. So, can we use that sunscreen lotion and vitamin C cream as well?
No, no.
No,
On
no.
night time, like, don't use a sunscreen. Better you can use a good moisturizer with good serum, and then you can go to sleep.
No, if we are not going to sleep, like we are applying
Working.
makeup, yeah, night shoot or whatever. If somebody is working in night time, then
Definitely, you can apply a strong base of moisturizer and sunscreen, and then put on the makeup,
yeah,
so that it will not affect the skin
yeah,
health
because
also.
the light also.
Definitely,
Yeah.
definitely.
Ma'am, can we remove warts with this machine? Like you are saying, it's very beneficial for us.
Yes, we can remove the big size warts,
Okay.
which are like genetically inherited, deep rooted, and all.
Okay.
So it will be removed, and later we will give the maintenance, like no pigmentation creams we can give for them, and also we can give some antiviral tablets also to not reoccur again. Yeah.
Ma'am, what is the difference like moles and warts? Like,
Yeah. Moles are nothing, but they'll not have some pedunculated thing. They are mixed with the skin texture only.
okay.
So warts are nothing but those are like skin tags. They are not into the skin. They'll be superficially pedunculated. So it depends on the size also. Small warts will be there, plantar warts will be there, plain warts will be there. So these types of warts, like, which are genetically inherited, will be very deep rooted. So that's why we use the laser for this.
Ma'am, what is the special feature of this machine? And
Yeah, this machine has a special feature to treat melia also.
oh,
So melia is nothing but a small white substance is what we see on the upper cheeks. So that is due to hormonal imbalance or any like over usage of makeup products or something we'll get. So with that we can remove, and also it helps in treating the genital areas to become light.
okay.
Okay, and most important thing, it helps in vaginal tightening, where it is important for postpartum females or postmenopause females.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's very, very good for us. Ma'am, what is the maintenance we have to do after doing this, after getting this procedure?
See, suppose you have done the acne scar treatment or for face tightening, what we have to do is first 7 days will be the very crucial period.
Okay.
Crucial period not, it is like more maintenance or more attention is required.
Mhm.
For this 7 days, you will use only face wash, moisturizer, and sunscreen, and you will wash your face only with saline water.
Okay.
Okay, and later you have to use the oral collagens also
Okay.
to give the glow and also to give more textural differences.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely, sun exposure, it will be good if you're not exposed to sun.
Mm-hmm. Ma'am, what is the permanent skin whitening treatment?
Yeah, for skin whitening, we can give like if it is only for face,
Hmm.
we can start with peels,
Okay.
laser, and all.
Hmm.
If it is for full body, we can give the IV glutathione drips.
Okay. It is safe.
Yeah, it is definitely safe because it helps in detoxification,
Okay.
and also you have to maintain it. That is the most important thing.
So, if we get it in and then we stop, we are not taking anymore, then
No, definitely it will not sustain. See,
okay.
maintenance is the most important key in any aesthetic or cosmetological procedure. So
Okay.
you have to maintain it. See, suppose you have taken IV gluta and next day you are going for any vacation
Mm-hmm.
or like beachside vacation, definitely you'll expose to sun. Definitely you'll become tan. So you have to maintain it, apply sunscreen, take oral supplements,
Mm-hmm.
and limit your exposure to the sun, limit your exposure to the devices.
Okay.
UV rays exhibiting devices, and
Mm-hmm.
also definitely maintenance is the most important thing.
Okay, ma'am. For duration for this treatment, like again, we need to come to clinic. So, for a month or in the 7 days or what? Like how much?
See, you have to take sessions first.
Hmm.
Continuously, weekly, one session is mandatory.
Okay.
So, some people will be coming weekly twice also.
Okay.
So, you have to come top up, top up, top up,
Okay.
take the sessions.
Mm-hmm.
And once you get the difference from your tone, skin tone change,
Mm-hmm.
you have to maintain. See, when you visit us
Mm.
or when you visit a dermatologist, they'll tell you this many sessions will be
Okay.
required for a skin tone change.
Mm-hmm.
So, you have to come at that period of time.
Mm.
With that only, we will prescribe you the medications, products like soap, tablets, everything.
Mm-hmm.
So, you will use them. Maintenance, as I told you, slowly you have to taper the tablets, then it will be fine.
Okay. Ma'am, like for costing for this treatment, like per session, how much?
See, it depends on the product what you're
Okay.
wanting. See,
Okay.
Indian brand is there, Korean brand is there,
Okay.
Japanese brand is there, and it also depends on the sessions.
Okay.
Like some people may take like weekly 2 sessions, weekly 1 session, like that. It will be varying. We can't tell specifically.
Mm-hmm.
So variations will be there definitely. And nowadays it has been very affordable,
Mm-hmm.
and everyone is knowing about the treatment. So
Yes.
it is not that much matter for cost, I
Yeah.
guess.
What is this hypo treatment? Like everybody is very crazy for that.
Yeah, as I told you, in fractional CO2 also we treat sagging, fine lines, and wrinkles.
Mm-hmm.
So we have a latest technology that is called HIFU, which is called as high intensity focused ultrasound.
Okay.
So this procedure requires no downtime, nothing.
Okay.
Just you'll come and you'll go.
Okay.
Within 1 hour we'll complete. So this also acts with the skin texture, like it will help in skin tightening,
Okay.
lifting,
Okay.
toning also.
Okay. So fine lines and wrinkles
Yeah,
can be.
definitely it will go.
Okay.
I told maintenance is most important. So after the session, we'll tell the clients to maintain it. Like they'll take collagen supplements and have a healthy routine life so that it will be maintained.
For this also we need a session.
Yeah, it depends on again the client's face.
Okay.
Is it too saggy or so many wrinkles are there? So we can treat.
From which age we can start this?
See, fine lines and wrinkles, though they'll start after 40s or something like that. Definitely, they can take from 40 to 60. Even we have people who are taking at 70s also,
Oh.
who maintain.
Oh. Wow. Ma'am, costing for this hypo treatment around like
Yeah, see, high food depends on the indication. Suppose if you want for face wrinkles and sagging, that will be one cost. For double chin only or for lower face sagging also, that will be one cost.
Okay.
See, starting it will be from 7 to 8,000 per session.
Okay.
They can do for arms, underarms also,
Okay.
the chest region also. Anywhere we can do.
So for this time, like food and lifestyle is like that. So and sitting position, because we are working in a
Yeah.
office. So for belly fat, what we can do, ma'am?
Belly fat, if there is sagging, definitely they can opt this HIFU.
Oh,
So if there is stubborn fat which is not sagging or something, they
mhm.
can go for body contouring.
Okay.
Okay, because it helps in decreasing inch by inch, like in
Okay.
which region, whichever region you want,
Uh-huh.
like for arms or tummy or thighs, anywhere. Even if you can, like first of a contouring, you can even add lipo injections also with that, so
Okay.
that it will be more faster result will be there with that.
After doing gymming, like I'm doing going gym, like, and I lose some weight, and then the skin
Sagging
sagging,
will be there.
can we remove by this hypo?
Yeah. HIFU we can remove.
Okay.
And also, as I told, contouring also we can remove.
Uh-huh.
So definitely sagging will be there when you're going to gym or when you're doing some diet or something. So definitely these procedures are very effective and people are doing now.
Okay, viewers, this we that much we could get to know with ma'am. It's very good for our, and it's a new kind of machine which is here. We will see, and this hypo machine also is here. So we will talk more about this hypo treatment and machine in the next session. Till then, keep watching Health Agro.
As I told you, this is the fractional CO2 machine. సో దీంతో మనం ఏ స్కార్ అయినా కూడా స్కిన్ టెక్స్చర్కి సంబంధించినవన్నీ వీ కెన్ ట్రీట్ దిస్ వన్. అంటే యాక్నే స్కార్స్, సర్జికల్ స్కార్స్, స్ట్రెచ్ మార్క్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో ఓపెన్ పోర్స్, వాట్స్ రిమూవల్ అండ్ పిగ్మెంటేషన్ కూడా వీ కెన్ టేక్ ఇట్ ఆఫ్. సో ఇది ఎలా పనిచేస్తుందంటే కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ తోటి లేజర్ అనేది కాంబినేషన్తో రావడం వల్ల ఇట్ హెల్ప్ ఇన్ స్కిన్ టెక్స్చర్ ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ అనమాట. సో ఎప్పుడైతే ఇది మన స్కిన్ అనుకోండి, దీన్ని మనం పెట్టి సో న్యూ స్కిన్ అనేది ఇలాగా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఇంకొకసారి చూసినట్లయితే
చూసారు కదండి వీడియో, నచ్చింది కదా? నాకు తెలుసు మీకు నచ్చుతుందని. మరి మా నుండి ఇలాంటి మంచి మంచి వీడియోస్ మీకు కావాలి అని అంటే మీరు మమ్మల్ని సపోర్ట్ చేయాలి కదా. మరి ఇంకెందుకు ఆలస్యం, ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ కూడా చేయండి. మీరు చేస్తారని నాకు తెలుసు. మరొక వీడియోతో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. నమస్కారం.